There have been ongoing debates on reservation, and here's my take. There shouldn't be reservation because it's something which has been taken advantage of since years. And there's a thing called creamy layer. While the creamy layer of OBC cannot get the reservation, which is a good thing, but as per the laws, the creamy layer of ST and SC still can get reservation, and this is very problematic. And because of one-sided reservation based on caste, the people who really deserve reservation do not get reservation, and hence only the ones who do not deserve to get the reservation seats get the seats. The person who is from other caste and is getting much less percentile than them is more likely to get seat than the general category student. So this becomes very problematic for a general category student, because if they work hard, still they aren't getting any kind of seats. And this is 2026. I don't think it's only the lower caste who are facing all the issues. And yes, I agree that still the so-called lower castes are getting discriminated upon, but there's also this aspect too. And let's not forget what the political parties are doing nowadays. Both the Congress and BJP aren't talking against reservation. In fact, both the parties are doing caste politics. ये जो यूजीसी के न्यू रूल्स आए थे पहले, जिसके अगेंस्ट बहुत प्रोटेस्ट हुआ था, वो क्या था? वो बीजेपी के अंडर ही तो आया था। एंड फिर जो भी सारा कास्ट पॉलिटिक्स है, आप तो शुरू से ही जानते हो कि कांग्रेस का कैसा है। सो वही है कि अभी ये रिजर्वेशन वाले पे दोनों पार्टीज इस पे मतलब पूरा पॉलिटिक्स कर रही है गंदी तरह।